Konnichiwa and welcome to JWTV. Today our intern Seda and I will go to a sushi making class in Tsukiji.
So Tsukiji is known for its fish markets where you can buy some snacks, walk around and even take a specialty sushi making class with a professional sushi chef.
Okay, so we are excited. Let's go!
Alright, today's class is in Tokyo's famous Tsukiji fish market. It's a must-visit spot for both locals and travelers to dive into Japan's food culture. We met our guide at the Tsukiji Information Center. It was super easy to find her thanks to the sign that she was holding. After a short 5-minute walk, we arrived at the class and we were handed these adorable chef's hats with our names on them. They're so cute! We were welcomed with a short class on sushi culture and history and a little quiz. Before the class started, the chef showed us his awesome cutting skills. And once we washed up, it was go time. All the tools and ingredients were prepped and ready to go. First, the chef gave us a pro-level demo, then it was our turn. One of the best parts was getting to chat with people from all over the world. People from the US, Canada, Mexico, Australia, and Belgium were there. Such a cool mix. As we followed along, the chef guided us step by step, checking in to make sure no one was lost. It's totally beginner friendly and zero stress. Look at me go! I'm crushing it! Think you can top my skills? Tag us in your sushi pics.
すごいじゃん。すごいじゃん。すごいじゃん。Wow.
Before we got to taste our own creations, we got to try sushi made by the chef himself with real wasabi. Mind blown. What were we eating before? Can you guess what this wasabi grater is made of? We'll let you know in the comments. Finally, it's our moment. A dip in soy sauce, a big itadakimasu, and wow, it's so good. But don't rush off just yet. Explore Tsukiji, grab a snack, try the local eats, and maybe pick up a souvenir or two. If you end up taking this class, be sure to let us know.